What's up, gang? We are at the Junkyard here at Austin Pickle. Where the hell are we? I think we're at Austin Parts and Pick. It's down off like 71. I'll put more info in it later in the video, but I found an SC300. I think this is like a 99, so let's check it out, see what's left of it. If we didn't have it all beat up fender here, we'd take that. Look at this thing. This thing has been parted. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find anything on this thing worth keeping, but let's check it out. Oh, there's a decent headlight. Hey guys, there's a headlight down here. Yeah, it's been cracked, but it could be salvaged. You could use part of that. Suspension. It's got original suspension on it. Let's see if any brake pads are any good. Not really. Look at that. Exhaust has been cut. It's on like an old jack. Rearview mirror. Somewhat functional. It's got black badges. That's kind of cool. Let's see what the trunk looks like. Tail lights are missing, of course. Oh, do we have a door card? No, that's not an SC door card. Not at all. Let's see. The wiring for that. Oh, it's got the speakers still in it. I wonder if those speakers are any good. It does have a good antenna. If I could figure out how to get that off of there, I might take that because my antenna is broken. Alright, that might be a win. Check out this body damage on this thing. Wow. It's got visors. Dash components. Ooh, I wonder if I could get that passenger seat for the seat motor. Mine's broken. I gotta get this car over here out of the way. Jeez. Let's put that on there. Get that out of our way. Alright. Oh, it's got the door handle. Could maybe take the parts from that door handle. Mine's broken. That could be real beneficial. Oh, what do we got here? We got a radio. What else do we have? Anything else? Oh, cool. It's got a wood grain yeah, little ashtray piece. It's kind of cracked. I don't know. Cigarette lighter. I'll take that. Mine doesn't have one. Let's see if we can get to this motor seat. If this could be the same. What else do we have in here? The headlight. Battery box. Got the cup holder. Might be worth it. Look at all this tore out. Got some cables for the door. I think that's what I'm gonna work on first, is just taking this door jamb out of this car. Let's go for it. This one has a newer CD player. Alright, so we're going to try to get the door piece, and we're going to try to get the antenna, and then I think we'll take this center console piece right here with us as well. That'll be pretty good. Huh. I think that's going to be it. Alright, we've been wrenching on this seat here with a 14mm. Got all four of them out. It was hard to get that front one. Got this seat unbolted. Let's see if we can get it out. We're just gonna take this. All right, here's the last 14mm right here. We're just gonna take this whole seat with us. Got it. We're just gonna take this whole seat with us. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get. We're just gonna take this whole seat. We're just gonna take this whole seat with us. All right, we got the passenger side seat out. Mine, the motors don't work, so it'd be a huge upgrade if I can have one that works. All right, let's see what else we can get out of this old SC300 in here. All right, I think we got the last piece. We got the self-periscoping antenna piece off the back. Mine's broken on my car, so that's a nice little find right there. All right, so I think we ended up getting some nuts and bolts. I'm not sure if I really need this cup holder, but it'd probably be nice to have an extra one. And then we got an original e-brake cover. That's kind of cool. And then the seat. Let's see if there's anything else on this thing. I don't really think there is, but you never know. All right, we see that intake valve right there. I want to modify mine on my car to push more air in, so I might take that. All right, we found one more thing to take, and that is these rear trunk struts are really nice. So I'm gonna grab those for mine because mine are absolutely toast. All right, so we're gonna get in there, get that strut off there, and then we'll head out of here. All right, we got the last two parts. We got the trunk struts. These things are really strong, so excited to get a few parts for the SC300. Not a bad day. Here we go. All right, here's the SC300 we picked apart today. Definitely a fun time here at the pick apart place just on 71 east of Austin. All right, guys, we got our new seat. We got our seat and a couple little odds and ends. We ended up getting the struts and the antenna, little motorized antenna. Charges about 119. I don't know if that's a good deal, but hey, it was fun. You know, parts are rare for these SC300s, so A little pick and pull. Not a bad option. All right, let's get our parts home.